My favorite feature is probably that I get to come here to work every single day. I mean, how could you not love it? If I'm stuck at my desk trying to figure something out and I get stuck, I can just come and walk outside amongst all of the greenery. It's perfect.
So when you say desk, you mean like your desk is like right here? Is that what you're talking about? No?
I wish my desk is tucked in the back in a garage.
Maybe right here? No?
It's not glamorous, but perfect.
Take out your green thumbs because it's time to visit a one-of-a-kind landmark. This place is more than just a nursery, it's an experience.
Hi guys, on today's adventure we are at Rogers Gardens in Corona Del Mar, California. About 3 miles east of the beach, this nursery puts an upscale and unique spin on gardening.
My name's Hedda Staines and I am the head merchant here at Rogers Gardens. Rogers Gardens has been operating on this property for just over 30 years. We've been open actually for more than 50 years, but here on this property for over 30 years. During Christmas, our operating hours are 9 a.m. until 8 p.m., 7 days a week. Also, Rogers Gardens first opened just over 50 years ago. Actually, it was primarily a nursery garden center. We moved to the current facility. We've been here for 30 years and obviously have grown since then. Now we offer everything from Christmas trees to seasonal plants. We do a huge amount of our own plantings here on property, so original designs. We have home decor, women's accessories, jewelry. We will do in-home consultations. We'll come to your home, we'll look at your garden. We have a landscape business and also a restaurant on property, farmhouse. Well, we have a little bit of something for everybody. Some of my favorites are the edibles. We always have a seasonal selection of 4-inch edible plants. Then I also like our native gardening section, plants that are native to Southern California. And we do a great job with our pollinator gardens. We carry this wonderful native milkweed that's perfect for the monarchs. So we have a whole variety of citrus. We've been really doing well with a key lime this year. I actually had key lime pie this weekend for Thanksgiving, but yes, so the key lime has been really popular and the Kisu mandarin as well. So you can come visit us probably 4 or 5 times a year, even more, and we'll look different every time that you're here. We do a big set at the beginning of the year and for spring, just to welcome spring. All of the nursery always looks wonderful. We have a transition later in the year. We do a Halloween boutique. This year's theme was Malice in Wonderland. That's always a big crowd pleaser. It was phenomenal this year. And then obviously right now it's Christmas. We're all set up for the holidays. We have Christmas trees. We have poinsettias, we have ornaments, whatever you could want. Yeah, so beginning of December, we open Christmas at the very beginning of October, and that's always a phenomenal opening weekend. We'll be packed that weekend, and then every weekend throughout the season and right up until Christmas.
Where do your Christmas trees come from?
Christmas trees, they come to us from the silver tips, which are incredibly popular and in short supply, come to us from Northern California, and the rest of our trees come from Oregon. Our buyers travel up there and hand select the trees for the store here.
So what do you suggest for somebody that doesn't have a green thumb? Actually, can you show us your...
Like me.
Look at this.
Definitely not a green thumb. Well, we offer a series of workshops. We do seminars. There's always something going on here in the nursery. At the weekends, we'll talk about edible gardening. We will talk about native plantings. Lots to learn, and we have a great staff of horticulturalists who can give you the skinny on whatever you need to know. But don't be scared. There's always something to learn.
So you could always ask somebody here. We know it's a customer service.
Yep,
right over there.
Absolutely. That's what we're here for. We have a lot of people who come in and they have questions about gardening, and it's something that we can, we've got all the answers.
And where can people find out about the workshops? Is there somewhere online?
Yeah, we have a website, rogersgardens.com. You can look at our website. You can look at the website for the seminars, for workshops, and for all of the events that we have here on the property.
So this is pretty cool. It's called the Veggie Pod, and it it's really tightly like woven, and it keeps out your creatures. So birds, maybe some bugs, snails, definitely, huh? Cool.
Another cool thing about this place is you can dig in and pot your own plants with their complimentary soil. Why not? Don't make a mess at home. Just make a mess here.
So this is where they end up having the demonstrations. I guess they set up about right here. And then the people will all sit right here, and you can look up their classes on rogersgardens.com.
And we can't forget about their outdoor living area. So many neat toys to take care of your outside living area.
And now for your music lesson for today. Here we have some chimes that have been tuned to the pentatonic scales. Here we have Hawaiian scale, the Mongolian pentatonic scale, and this is just the pentatonic scale. It says here it's the most widely used melodic scale in the world, dating from ancient Greece. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can get in here. Some of these are pretty cool because they even tell you the exact notes, the Hawaiian scale. Looks like we have an E, F sharp, A, D, and a C. Hey, you want to see a big one? Let's go check this one out. Allow me to chime in on this one.
So now we're gonna go inside the Christmas boutique, and I guarantee you haven't seen so many Christmas things in your entire life.
Now, if this is your first time at Rogers Gardens, it could be a little overwhelming with so much to see. Feel free and grab a latte as you sit and relax at the coffee shop next to the restaurant.
Thank you for shopping at Rogers Gardens. Have a very Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long have you been coming to Rogers Gardens?
For years.
Yeah, we've been coming for years. This is just the first time we've come together.
Holiday is special.
The holidays, the holiday boutique is
Very
the best
magical.
one?
Yes.
Now, we mentioned they have a restaurant on site. It's called Farmhouse. The claim is that the food and drink are farm fresh, locally sourced, and prepared with love. But what also catches my eye is this thing outside the patio. Well, that might just have to wait for another episode. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this adventure. There's still more to this place that we didn't cover, so you'll just have to come out and check it out yourself. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated when a new episode comes out. As always, links are in the description to find out more on Rogers Gardens. And until next time, bye-bye!